Events like the ACT Workforce Summit are really important because they are bringing groups together, higher education, workforce development, economic development, employers. So this is an opportunity for everyone to work together and to find solutions that are going to work for students, for potential students, for the regional economy, and for the employers in the area as well.
This is my fourth time coming to the Workforce Summit, and it's gotten better each time. We get to share with others and we get to network. We're looking to partner and learn from people about reentry, and we're looking to find unique ways to partner with business and also share a positive experience for career seekers. We love sharing those testimonies with others to inspire them, and we're also inspired by some of the stories we learn and hear about.
It's one of those rare opportunities where you get leaders from across the nation that represent different types of communities, where you can talk about the trends and the challenges in the world of workforce and then help co-create strategies. And it's great because you get to talk about it at a national level, but also at a localized level, and you'll find that it's an opportunity to learn from others, to have great debates and agree or not agree, but you always walk away from this type of a venue with solutions in your pocket.
This is honestly the most valuable place to come and discover tools that can be used to develop a solid workforce ecosystem.
It's my first chance to be here, and I love it. I've been involved with the Work Ready communities, and I wanted to get a chance to dive deeper into some of the data, some of the things that are going on in other communities around the country, and really get a better sense of what the possibilities were for using ACT Work Keys and workforce solutions.
It's a national conversation, and if we don't have national conversations and learn from people at localized levels and actually come up with strategies together where we all co-invest, it's really difficult to provide and implement some of the solutions that we're facing. So this type of a venue, the ACT Workforce Summit, is really valuable because it really does bring a common voice to a conversation that's needed.
You get to learn from diverse speakers who have been really at the forefront of new ideas, new innovations. And in turn, when you learn from other people who have faced similar challenges, you learn new solutions. And that is why I think every professional who cares about workforce in their local community should go to the ACT Workforce Summit.
Thank y'all so much. Looking forward to seeing you next year.